My name is Matt Hargrave. I'm a residential lender for Timberland Bank. I've been here for 8 years. Been in Olympia basically all my life. Grew up here, went to college here, lived in the big city, Seattle, for a few years, but I always knew I was going to end up back in Olympia. And raising 2 boys, ages 2 and 4, that are going to be going to the same schools that I went to. Communication has always been a big thing with me. Lending, there's a lot of things that can go sideways between day 1 and day 30. So communication's huge. If it's either with my own team, with the customer, or third parties that are being teammates as well. Timberland Bank is very hands-on in the community, with a lot of local lenders making local decisions within the community. We're tied very deep into it, and a lot of us bleed our communities. That's kind of Timberland across the board in all the communities that we're involved in.
Member FDIC, an equal housing lender.